My hair's already pre-sectioned. Everything's, you know, in its place. I got my products here. The BB Hairdress Invisible Oil. I'm gonna go ham with this. Got her at TJ Maxx. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy at all. She does the job. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. I just realized I didn't check if it's gonna rain tomorrow. I'm scared. If it rains, this is all for nothing. And lately in Virginia, the weather is crazy. It's bipolar. Okay, it's raining right now, but tomorrow it's not gonna rain. Okay, we're good. We're good. False alarm. So I'm going over this section like way too many times probably because this isn't the best and it doesn't get the hottest. But it's doing its job. Rip my hair follicles, it's fine.